gonna zoom in.
This is
Creepy.
yeah. It's like I don't know.
That's like the little hour clock.
Yeah, but it's like strike 3.
It's a bag.
Wait a minute. Strike 3.
It's a bag inside.
Is there something in here?
Check. Shoot it. And guys, this is part 1 of Junior playing this game.
This is his first
So guys,
time.
all I know is that someone. Wait, what? Look at the phone. The phone right now. Hold on. Let me read this.
It says smartphone something.
It's a smartphone.
Take it.
Caliber detected. Hack as otherwise. Wait a minute. Let's take a look in this phone. What does that look like? It looks like.
It says
That looks like a UFO.
it says it's a
guys.
smartphone.
That looks like a UFO.
Wait, it does.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a UFO. And there's a little tiny spaceship. There's a little tiny spaceship next to it.
Oh yeah, I see it.
You know what? I need. Wait, how about I shoot?
Shoot the dead man. That's what I was gonna tell you. He looks.
Okay, the scary movie's coming on. Run! Run! I'm so scared.
You should take the smartphone.
I know.
All right, guys. So yeah, Junior.
Run!
My God, he's on the train tracks. You see that? He's on the train tracks.
Maybe he's the one who killed him. Where's your father?
Kill him!
No, he's 26-year-old. And
He's 59.
he's 59, man. Are you
Yes!
too old to be friends with this guy? Wow. Oh. Yeah. Wait, what?
She's 29. The girl's 29 years old. Oh, she's 29 years old.
And she has a bank account. Look how many money she has.
Dang! Look at that money.
Yeah.
What? That's not fair.
$25,000.
Yes.
Shoot her!
I can't.
Why?
$5,000.
Not even. That girl's 39.
Wait, what? She's 39
She's
years old.
It changes.
Woman, where are you?
See?
Wait, she disappeared.
She's an alien teleporter.
She's like Enderman.
She's an alien teleporter.
She's like an alien.
Yo, what up, dog?
She
Wait,
teleports.
He's 38. Are you too old to drive a car? He's too old to drive a car. See, look at him. Look at him with his mustache. I think he's a liar. I think he's the one who killed him.
Ren, look it. Remember this? I'm the Lone Ranger. That's not funny.
Yeah. I'm the Lone Ranger.
I'm the Lone Ranger.
Like when they're
All right, Junior, what do you want to say to YouTube?
so YouTube, have a great time. Comment below, like it,
Subscribe it.
subscribe. So
Leave
yeah,
comments.
bye.
Bye, guys. This is it.